and gentlemen, now I would request Dr. Sampath Baldawa and our chief guest, Dr. Manik Gurram, Dr. Vijay Kumar Arkal, Dr. Sunkuj Bhaskar, and Mr. G. Mallesham to please light the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, now the moment has come to unveil the moment we have been waiting for. जी हाँ, जिस घड़ी का हम बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे वो घडी आ चुकी आहे. ज्या वेळेची आपण वाट पाहत होतो ती वेळ आता आलेली आहे. Now here goes the grand opening of Emraya Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. थँक्यू सो मच. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या नक्कीच झाल्या पाहिजे. वेलकम. Ladies and gentlemen, we are really honored to have Dr. Sampath Baldawa as our chief guest. I would like to introduce him to you all. Dr. Sampath Baldawa has started his career after completing MBBS in 1973 from Pune University. He secured highest marks in obstetrics and gynecology subject and stood first. He passed his DGO in 1975 from Bombay University. Dr. Baldawa passed MD from Pune University in 1977 with highest marks. Dr. Sampath Baldawa has conducted various family planning operation camps in rural areas in various places of Solapur district. He did 230 laparoscopic sterilization operations in 3 days at Sanmati Hospital, Madha in year 19. Now, I would request Mr. Pengonda to please felicitate Dr. Sampath Baldawa. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या झाल्या पाहिजेत everyone. Now it's time to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. Manik Gurram. Dr. Manik Gurram is the past president of IMA Solapur. He is also the past president of Obstetric and Gynecology Society of Solapur. He has been awarded the Best Obs and Gyne Society Award. Zordar Taya everyone. He is the past president of IAP Solapur. Dr. Vijay Kumar Arkal is regularly conducting free medical health camps in Solapur. Now I will request Dr. Mahesh to please felicitate Dr. Vijay Kumar Arkal. Thank you so much. He has completed his fellowship training in neonatology at University Kinderklinik Vienna, Austria in 1988. He did his senior internship at Nilofer Hospital, Hyderabad in 1989, founding in academic organization called Dilsukhnagar Pediatric Forum. He was the past executive member of IAP Telangana State. He was the past executive member, treasurer and vice president of Indian Academy of Pediatrics Twin Cities branch. Dr. Sunkuj Bhaskar was the General Secretary of Indian Academy of Pediatric Twin Cities branch. He has been elected as the President IAP 2022 Twin Cities of Hyderabad and Sikandarabad. Now, I will request Mr. Yellappa Nukkar to please felicitate Dr. Sunkuj Bhaskar. Thank you so much. Our next chief guest, Mr. Gampa Mallesham. Mr. Mallesham is the renowned businessman in pharmaceutical distribution. He is having his own C&F agency located in Hyderabad. He is also C&F agent for many big renowned pharmaceutical companies for Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, including Telangana. I would request Mr. Pengonda to please felicitate Mr. Gampa Malisham. Now I would like to introduce Director Operations of Emraya Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Mahesh Karazgikar. Dr. Mahesh Karazgikar has 34 years of accomplished domestic and international experience across functional areas in pharmaceutical/healthcare companies in academic field. Before returning back to India, couple of months back, he successfully headed as a CEO two healthcare companies in overseas market for almost 12 years. Out of this total experience, he too has 5 years of experience in academic field as an associate professor working with one of the leading management institutes of India, that is Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Pune, a flagship management institute under Symbiosis International University. Dr. Mahesh has social liking for education. He has total 10 prestigious degrees to his credit so far. Symbiosis International University has awarded the Star Alumni Award on 2nd May 2014 to Dr. Mahesh out of 9,000 students everyone. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या झाल्याच पाहिजे या रिझनसाठी, कारण आउट ऑफ 9,000 स्टुडंट्स आणि त्याच्यापैकी त्यांना मिळाले हे अवॉर्ड. सो सर, बिग अचीवमेंट. थँक्यू. नाव सर, I would like to invite you to address the stage. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या एव्हरीवन फॉर डॉक्टर महेश. खरंच कौतुक करावं असं वाटतं डॉक्टर बलदेवांचं. मी इथे मागे बसलेली होते आणि लाईट गेलेली असलेली सुद्धा त्यांनी त्यांचं स्पीच चालूच ठेवलं आणि खरंच त्यांच्याकडून शिकायला मिळालं की येस, शो मस्ट गो ऑन एव्हरीवन. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या सरांसाठी. Before we conclude, I would like to congratulate and wish good luck to Emraya Pharmaceuticals and their team on behalf of everyone. Round of applause for his new beginning, everyone. Once again, thank you so much everyone for joining us today. On that note, I, anchor Snehal Roham, signing off. I will request everyone to please have dinner. Thank you so much. आता मी सगळ्यांना रिक्वेस्ट करते की प्लीज आपण सगळ्यांनी कॉकटेल्स एन्जॉय करा आणि नक्कीच न जेवता कोणीच जायचं नाही आहे. थँक्यू सो मच एव्हरीवन. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी आज वेळात वेळ काढून इथे उपस्थिती दिली त्या कार्यक्रमाला, त्याबद्दल खूप खूप धन्यवाद. आणि त्याचबरोबर while enjoying your cocktails, you can enjoy the orchestra too. सो आपण त्यांनाही इथे बसून आपण पाहणार आहोत. आणि याचबरोबर मी आता हा कार्यक्रम इथेच समाप्त करते. थँक्यू सो मच एव्हरीवन. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या स्वतःसाठी एव्हरीवन.